Welcome to the JLab Go Work Pop Quick Start Guide. The Go Work Pop features rotating ear cups and a rotating boom microphone. You can wear it on the left or the right side depending on your preference. To charge your Go Work Pop, take the USB-C cable included in the box and plug it into the charging port on your headset and into your device or a power outlet. To connect your Go Work Pop for the first time, turn on by pressing and holding the power button. You'll hear a JLab on prompt in the headset. To initiate pairing mode, the indicator light should flash blue and red upon first use. Once the headset is in pairing mode, go into your device Bluetooth settings and connect. You can control your headset with the volume and multifunction buttons. For a complete list of features, refer to the Quick Start Guide included in the box or on our website. The Go Work Pop comes in 3 colors: teal, black, and lilac.